Hey guys, Gary here back with another video. Today we're actually talking about an error message that I found on my camera, and I want to address this because I know it's something that's a little bit scary for a lot of people. And as of yet, I have not found a fix. As I go through this video, if I do find a fix, because I decided not to fiddle with it yet, I'm pretty sure I can get this fixed. So let me show you guys the error message that I keep getting. So this is my Nikon Z50. As you guys might have seen from previous videos, I've done reviews on this. It's a phenomenal camera. So I turned it on today thinking, hey, I'm gonna make a blog today. I'm gonna make a video, a review, and you know, I turned it on and lo and behold, I got this error message, and this is it. Alright, so you guys saw that. So it says lens initialization failed. Turn camera off and then on again. So we've tried that and that still hasn't helped us. So I'm also going to be showing you guys the sound that comes with this error message when you turn on the camera. It actually gives a weird buzzing effect. Let me show you guys here. I'm going to turn it on one more time. So you guys hear it? Okay, so it says lens initialization failed. So that could be one of two things. First of all, it could be the camera. Second, it could just be the lens. So I read some forums online. It seems to be that there is some uncertainty whether it comes actually from the lens or whether it comes from the camera itself. So we're going to be testing that out. I personally think it's from the lens because it says lens initialization failed, so I'm going to assume it's strictly a lens problem, but I didn't want to fiddle with it or do anything until I got it on video so that I can help you guys and document this, just, you know, for maybe Nikon, maybe send it to Nikon and maybe they can find a quick fix for it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to maybe extend my focus out all the way. I'm going to turn on the camera. Nope, still getting the noise, still getting the message. Alright, fine. So let me check what the battery status is. The battery status is not showing. So I actually learned that if you take the lens off of this camera, it'll start normally. So I unscrewed it. I didn't take the lens off, but I did unscrew it just now. So if you see this, it actually turns on normally. So I'm going to assume that it is a lens problem. So it also says no memory card. So let's just test that out, the no memory card issue. Maybe that's what it is. Oh, see, as soon as I slide that lens back in, the error message starts again. So I'm gonna put on another lens onto this camera and we're gonna see if maybe that helps. Alright, I'm back and I have the 35mm on me with the FTZ mount adapter. Let's see if that works. So we're gonna take this cap off. I'm gonna take this lens off, point it down. Turn the camera back on. And yeah, so it's definitely a lens problem. So we're gonna zoom that normally. There you go. So by the looks of it, it is definitely a lens problem. So I'm gonna have to try to work with this. I'm going to try to reset the camera a couple of times, and maybe that will actually fix it. Sometimes it says that it's a lens problem, but really it's still a camera problem. Another way to check this out is if I had another Nikon Z mount camera, which you know, I am not currently using right now. So let's see. Turn it on. So with this lens, I'm actually able to take pictures. As you can see, it's firing away. I hope you guys can hear that. So it's firing away, and I'm able to get pictures with this lens. So I'm gonna try to maybe change it back. Maybe just needed to have a change of lens. So we're gonna try to change it back right now. So just for reference, my battery's at 2 out of 3 bars, so maybe we'll try to charge the battery as well. What I would recommend is one of two things. You could send the lens back to Nikon, or you could do what I'm probably going to do, which is I have a Best Buy insurance plan that I bought, which I always suggest buying an insurance plan with the camera that you have. And what you're going to do is switch it, because it's a very expensive device, and if you don't have an insurance plan, then you're stuck. Just make sure you always have an insurance plan for situations like these. So I guess my trial and error has not ended yet, but I'm going to go to Best Buy specifically, and I'm probably going to have my whole camera exchanged because I paid for an insurance plan, so we're probably gonna do that. Anyway, I hope this was in any way useful to you guys. The reason I'm making this video is because I want to know how many people are actually having this issue, and if maybe anybody is having this issue, because I read forums online and it seems like this is a very rare issue. So if you're having this issue, please leave a comment saying, you know, what's going on, how this happened, which camera are you using, and let's try to work this out together. So as of now, there really is no solution for this issue, and I'm going to contact Nikon, and as soon as I do get an answer, I will be posting up a video about this. I will be putting that video in the description or in a box dialog above. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you like my content, please feel free to subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.